Assam Social Welfare Soil Conservation Asai Kaba Minister Kai Phulang Solang Sun Kilangdam. Sojeng Thenta constituency ki parlo BPL hemtuna phan LPG chotun chodang hormu kiron. All Karbi Anglong Students Union pen claim bang phua mai kangni. Kardom adaba biota long penili Villarban Kropi non biotang tanpen Arjoitha. Assam Sarkar Social Welfare Lapen Soil Conservation Minister Promila Rani Brahma Chiti Hini Ani Duar Bagori constituency ke parlo kai phulang solang sonalong Humri Dampusi Katni Salong Birta nang pale. Inkoratrok Duar Bagori constituency ke parlo kai phulang solang sonalong kaching thora sai ke deng Japan pura Chiti Hini Ani Assam Sarkar Social Welfare Lapen Soil Conservation Minister Promila Rani Brahma Dimalong Humri Damsi Lang Charidam. Minister Promila Rani Brahma Phan Kai Phulang Solang Sunan MSc Richard Tokbi Lapen Arya Sangho Tumsi Towar Japon MSc Richard Tokbi Minister Promila Rani Brahma Phan Ipak Pinpur Alok Pajirdun Socheng Thenta constituency MSc Mate EM Kachirong PP Lapen Gas Agency Atum Chiti Hini Arni Balijuri Community Hall along Kiduk Ang Aber Kido Mate BPL Hemtuna Bang Phiatum Aphan LPG Ronsi Kirap Pajir Pon Pusik Katnis Long Biota Nang Pali Pradhan Mantri Ujwala Yojana our Saipen Socheng Thenta constituency rong arada phan ke panong LPG lapen asonamung hormu Chiti Hini Arni ron pontanglo EM kache rong PPR ding pensi bang plikebra ke thom asang pimara phan LPG gas cylinder ka ki joypen ron pon lapen alangli gas agency tum kapin khat ateng chotun chadang pameja phan LPG ke long asang pimara tum phan than pari LPG gas cylinder ke rona mayalong Socheng Thenta constituency long donsuri pho BPL hemtun doputa EM rong PP pachita Namalam sopor phan biota muing taponik sina. Claret Beauty Parlor. Folong kechengsi sopin so lapen swarlo phan ki pamara dim. Prabjin pen ingpupon kangpu ponji lake pai chikluni pai ingora nerve cap arni. Ladak nang litum long ikji lake facial, hair spa, hair straightening, hair cutting, shaving, hair curly, tattoo, body spa, pedicure, lapet, medicare, hayu henlo. Claret Beauty Parlor, Difu Main Market Road, Bharati Lodge near Iron Bridge. Come one, come all. Grand opening of Bazaar, India. A shopping mall consisting of various quality of gents wear, ladies wear, kids wear, and tremendous quality of household items, accessories, etc. Main Market, Old LIC Building, Karbi Anglong, Assam. Looking for your needs? Visit Bazaar India.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kejun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecu ajam tu tharmit adu Thelua Kreng Chitronola Ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Turkimi outlet opposite LDRB Difu Karbi Anglong, Assam. 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, Shreya Iron, etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products. And grocery items.
Dianamo people that beer talang wangthulo. All Karbi Anglong Students Union Penchuti Hini Arni Difu Central Range IB along Klembangphu Amai Pado. Union Amai Phu Enush Terang Chuphampu Pen Kipado Klembangphu Amai Mate Executive Meeting along Songke Pangtang Karbi Anglong Meghalaya Hoi Alam Bangphu Bangphi Kimi Kipon Hai Hoi Kachingwai Klong Palidam Lokhijan along Le Kacharai Kom Je Phanta Union Pen Chingwai RDP Dam. Ingkora Phong Deng All Karbi Anglong Inter-Sub Association Men Football Kachipati Pinipen Kolonga Patua Klamalong Pangcheng Ponji Apla Pen Tirika Mamai Pen Chisik Chedang Pon Bom Tanglo West Karbi Anglong Keparlo Kolonga Patua Klamalong Sopinso Football Kachipati Pinipen Lo Dongka Sports Association La Pen Taradubi Sports Association Ang Bongsi Kachipati Pangcheng Ponji Pusi Niletuma Pherangke Aphan Tirikam Amayatum Birta Pachini Nona Phong Kachipati Ke Haiti Mung La Pen Kari Kropi Amen pen se kachipati ki bipota tirikam amaya tumpen birta long tu. Ada birta magila pas kang ton puniklo domi thakmi kurang tu.